In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Duolingo notifications. So if you've been getting tons of notifications and you just want to turn them off, here's how you can do it. Just open up the Duolingo app, whether you're using iPhone, Android, whatever type of phone, and click on the three dots in the purple circle in the bottom right. And from there, you want to go and click Profile. Now from within your profile, click on the settings icon in the top right. And from there, go to Notifications. Now here you want to go through all of these. So for example, at the top we have reminders, which is the most common notification type. So if I go to reminders, you can see currently all of this is turned on. So the way you see it is turned on is when it's kind of like a blue outline. If you then click on, for example, the phone and the mail for the practice reminders, it is now going to turn it off and it will become gray. And then from there, you can just use that for all of this. So basically now all of my reminders here are turned off. So then just go back. Then if you want to turn off the friend notifications, do the same thing right here and just go through each of these sections, turning everything off. So the leaderboards, announcements, and friend nudges. And from there you will have turned off all notifications. So you can see, for example, under reminders, it now says 5 notifications turned off. That means you did it correctly and you should now no longer get notifications from Duolingo. So now you know how to turn off Duolingo notifications. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.